Hey guys, this is Kara again. Wanted to fill you in with some of this AI stuff that I've been working on since the end of last year. We are developing some neat new stuff. I have been paying attention to the AI industry and a lot of the big boot camps that are going on right now, and I can easily say that across all industries that I'm familiar with, that's real estate, business development, personal embodiment, betterment, and uh, yeah, everybody is using this AI business tool to really scale their business, or at least to replace all of the repetitive tasks that many of us business owners, entrepreneurs get stuck having to deal with. And so it's been very exciting to see that things that used to be kind of tedious and you monotonous, you really do need to just do repetitive work all the time to make sure that things are going to happen correctly. Has been really amazing to see that out there with just the rollout of this. This is a white labeled version of the Go High Level, and we have this free webinar interactive. So come join us. I will send you the link. Please message me and I will make sure that you get it. And we will be having this starting on St. Patty's Day at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this Tuesday, I will help you to get into it. But yeah, we have, well, just over a day. So let's get that one going. I wanted to show you just a little bit of what I've done with it. So here is my calendar system. It's predominantly governed by Google, and so I've been able to put my personal calendar, my business calendar, and then my family's calendar all into one to manage my days and kind of parse out what I need to get done, and allow other people to set up to book their appointments with me, their one-on-ones. And so it does come with a booking link. That is something that it does replace Calendly. So instead of having that subscription, it does do that. Here we go. We're going to be having that webinar on Tuesday. So make sure, if you're able to check it out. There's going to be stuff that even I don't know what's going to be on there. So it's going to be new content even to me. And I've been doing this for a couple months. So yeah, instead of Calendly, you can have this. Opportunities, if you guys are familiar with how that works, being able to move people over into the process, right? This is a really great way to keep on top of where you're at with your clients, as well as customer relationships management. This is a great place to put your notes and tags, and that will bring you into automation. So automation is going to make it so that people can connect with you even while you're asleep, and the AI system will allow it to speak with your clients or your prospects or your potential clients, or even people that may already be clients, and connect with you even while you're offline sleeping. So that's really great. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of workflows. Here is one. Here are some examples. So if you can imagine, somebody like me, setting appointments is extremely important, and we want to make sure that our potential clients are going to make it to that appointment. We want them to know that we love them and care for them, so it will be triggered by them setting up that appointment, and then they will be added to the workflow. They may get a confirmation email and a text message, and 24 hours before the appointment, and then an hour before the appointment, to get reminders to make sure that they're going to be there, and that we've reached out to them in different facets, so that they will definitely have us fresh in their mind when they think of us, and that we will be easy for them to find and to connect with should they need to do something. So marketing is interesting, has been really fun. I don't do a lot of it, but I do have a lot of social media, so it has been fun to populate them and do all of them. And you can just, with the strike of a click of a button, you can send it to all of them or 1/3 of them. I think that staggering them has been a very effective route for social media marketing. So some people that, you know, they're familiar with me, they like my content, they'll see me on one platform, and then the next day I'll post again, but on a different platform, so they'll see me again. It's the same thing, and they'll see it, you know, somewhat repeatedly, so that I keep coming up fresh in their mind, and you know, hopefully positive, all good thoughts there. You know, which I do try and make my content to be focused on forward thinking, financial services, and big sister vibes for sure. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of this. There's unlimited sites, unlimited funnels. I'm getting my website going here, and it's already live, so if you want to check it out, KaraCreekmore.com is already going. So she is out there rolling as a website, and you know, it's I definitely want to put more updates to it. Again, this is my kind of like first rendition, but look how easy it can be. So this is my, you know, first draft, but getting it out there so you guys can check it out. You can do unlimited websites, unlimited funnels. The hosting is covered, so that's also included. So are things like building up a school community, DocuSign-like contracts. I know there's a whole list of them. I don't have them here, but there's a bunch of subscriptions that someone like me would normally have for CRM, for maybe building digital assets, somebody that's managing my social media content. Whoo! I remember that being like starting at like $350 a month for some businesses back in, you know, oh gosh, almost about 10 years ago. So I bet marketers do charge a lot for that now, but this system is a lot less than that, and so you can save a lot of money, and you can have all of your things all in one place. So it makes it very easy to manage. Look, you've got reputation to go over through the internet or throughout the internet to culminate all that data, and really do a lot of great things with having your business be discoverable and visible on the internet. So I will do another one of these, but I hope that you guys will join me. And yeah, until then, aloha. We'll see you guys. Come play.